Hi, I'm Ted Flanagan from Goschalks. Goschalks, of course, a key partner to FEO, which we're very proud to be, and proud to host this morning's talk, which is on a very important but often a very difficult subject, which is having the right people on the bus. The difficult part, of course, is getting the wrong people off the bus. But if you're going to be successful, it's a nettle you have to grasp, I think, and David Hall and Rob Brocklesby are the people to take you through that. So it's great to be here, interesting to listen to them, really looking forward to it, and as ever, proud to be part of FEO and proud to help what it does for Hull, for businesses in Hull.
This morning we're going to focus on the three aspects of getting the right people on the bus. First of all, recruit, which is very difficult. Secondly, retain, how do we keep them and keep them motivated? And finally, how do we remove them? And this is always a difficult problem. But the evidence is that the great businesses not necessarily better at recruiting people, but they get rid of people who are not right in the right roles much quicker.
So recruitment is a really tricky thing. I think there's various tools that entrepreneurs and business leaders can use, but it's very important that they have a clear structure as to how they recruit, and indeed before they recruit, making sure that there is a need to recruit. So I think many times, certainly within my organisation, we've looked to make a position become available, but actually then when we stand back from the business, realise that there isn't a need to recruit. So it's really, really important that you look at the organogram, you look at the structure, you look at the people that you've already got and see where there's gaps that exist already.